That is a big joke designed for entertainment purposes. It has no legal basis, it is absurd, it is beyond normal human understanding.
Ito ang sagot ng Armed Forces of the Philippines nang matanong sa muling paggigiit ng China sa kanilang 10-dash line claim sa South China Sea. Ayon kay Trinidad, wala itong legal na batayan. Ipinaliwanag din niya na may iba't ibang posibleng audience ng China, mula sa internal audience ng Chinese Communist Party hanggang sa mga Pilipino at international community.
There are different audiences that could be the target of releases like this. Number one could be the internal audience of the Chinese Communist Party in order to provide a strong narrative to support the grip on power. It could be the Filipino population. It could be the international audience. Suffice it to say, we have a lot of international jurisprudence that would support the stand of the Philippines. We have the 2016 Arbitral Tribunal ruling. We have our Constitution. It is very clear that Palawan is part and parcel of our archipelago. Pronouncements like this by a foreign power should be taken with a grain of salt.
Nang matanong naman kung may natawa sa sinasabing biro, diretsahang sagot ni Trinidad.
It is not even worthy to provoke a laugh from anybody. It only shows the level of understanding. No one is laughing at the joke.
Una nang tinawag na biggest fiction and lie ni Defense Secretary Gilberto Teodoro Jr. ang 10-dash line claim ng China. Wala rin umanong bansa sa ASEAN ang kumikilala sa naturang pag-angkin ng China.
There is only one country now that wants to disrupt it, which directly affects us, and that is the Chinese Communist Party, of which all of us are against. Even ASEAN, much as they would like to claim, no ASEAN country accepts the legitimacy of that 10-dash line, because that is the biggest fiction and lie that can be sold to any right-thinking person.
In the heart of changing lives, ako si Brigada Kath Austria ng 105.1 Brigada News sa Manila, the Music and News Authority.